Welcome back, everybody. It's your man Reek, aka Mr. I Pay Cash, and on my channel I teach you how to flip houses and invest in real estate the right way. That way you can prosper and grow your business. I teach you how to minimize your risk and maximize your profits. So if you're new here, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification, and you'll be the first to know when I put out a new video. You guys ready? Let's get to it. So I just had a lead come in from a young lady who was trying to help her mom sell her house, and they seemed pretty motivated. Her dad passed away about a year ago, and her mom could no longer afford the house by herself, so they wanted a quick cash closing. The house is in the Milford Mill, Windsor Mill section, which is northwest Baltimore County. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, Cape Cod style house, and the sellers were asking $180,000. They asked if I could stop by today, so I'm gonna head over there now. Come on, y'all, let's go check it out. Upon visiting the property, I quickly discovered this house was in pretty rough shape. The front door opens up into a small living room which is filled with clutter and all types of debris. You have 2 bedrooms on the main level. One is average size, the other one is pretty small, which is common for houses this size. There is also a full bathroom on the main level. In the back, you have a very small dining room. And the kitchen is even smaller. There is another bedroom upstairs in the attic, which is a fairly decent size. I guess they were using this as the master bedroom. There is also a decent sized full basement which can be finished to add extra square footage. After walking this property, there's no way I could pay them $180,000. The house is super small, but it does have potential, and this area is pretty hot for first-time home buyers. So I ended up offering them $115,000 cash with a 10-day closing, no inspections, and I'll be responsible for clearing out the rest of all their junk. After a little negotiating back and forth, we settled on a price of $118,000. Now, let's get to work. For the exterior, it's pretty simple. We'll power wash and paint the siding, cut down a few trees and do some light landscaping. We'll rebuild the deck and extend it 8 feet to add a patio door off of the dining room. The inside will get a basic rehab. We'll renovate the kitchen and the bathrooms. I'm going to open up the wall between the kitchen and dining room, and I'll also remove the window in the dining room and install a sliding glass door which will open up to the new deck. We'll finish the basement, add a 4th bedroom and another full bathroom, which will give us an additional 600 square feet of living space. So we're calling this the Milford Mill Messy House. It's currently 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a little over 1,200 square feet. It was built in 1952, and the lot size is about 6,800 square feet. I purchased the property for $118,000. I'm budgeting $50,000 for the renovations, and at the time of purchase, resale comps are in the $250,000 to $260,000 range, so there's definitely room for a decent profit. So you see, there seems to be potential for a decent profit as long as I can stay on budget. As always, we'll come back at the end of the video. We're going to go over all the final numbers to see if this deal turned out to be a reward or a huge regret. You guys ready to see how it turned out? Let's drive by and take a look. So now that the renovation is complete, it's time to come up with the list price. I ended up going over budget about $20,000. The good thing is, comps have actually gotten better since I first purchased the property. The pandemic has come and pushed prices through the roof. When I purchased the property, resale comps were in the $250,000 to $260,000 range. But inventory is low and houses are moving fast. So I figured, why not get aggressive and list for $279,000? Hopefully, this aggressive strategy is going to pay off. So it looks like the aggressive strategy paid off. I listed the property on Friday and I had over 40 showings over the weekend with multiple offers, which drove the price up to $305,000. To recap, our finished product ended up being 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and around 1,800 square feet, and I listed it for $279,000. I purchased the house for $118,000. I spent $70,000 on the renovations. My holding costs were roughly $12,000, making my break-even point around $200,000. I accepted an offer for $305,000. My closing costs with commissions should be around $9,000. Subtract my break-even point of $200,000, and once this deal closes, I stand to make a profit of around $96,000. Now it's on to the next flip. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Peace and blessings, and I will catch you guys on my next flip. Peace.